Today I'm making for you some of the best cookies you can taste. It could be for Christmas, holiday time, or whenever. Anyway, you could give it to kids. Kids love this. Anyway, this is what it's just 5 items. And it's called melting moments, but I call it melt in your mouth cookies. Anyway, you need half a pack of butter or half a pound of butter. You need salt, half a teaspoon. That's all. Just half of a teaspoon, like this one. Yeah, like that little one. Half a teaspoon. And you need confectioner's sugar, 1 cup. You could put 1.5 depending on your taste, but 1 cup. And you need a cup and a half of flour, a little vanilla, teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoon, however much you like. You could put a tablespoon. And you need half a cup of cornstarch. Cornstarch is the star in this recipe, because that is what make the cookie so light and scrumptious. I can't explain it any better. I learned to make this when I was at Carnal. My cookie teacher taught us. Anyway, you can for these cookies you could put them. You can make them in little balls. You could do all kind of depending on what you want to do. For these, you'll see how I did them. So you put in the butter. I had 4 different pieces for this one. And which is half of it's half a pound, just like I said before. And you put in the confectioner's sugar. It's called confectioner's sugar, icing sugar, or powdered sugar, same thing. And I was doing this by hand, but you could put it in a mixer or your food processor. I just did this quickly. This is a cookie you can make in less than 20 minutes. Take out your 5 ingredients and and just mix them together. But I love to mix the butter and the sugar first, and mix them up and soften it up, and then you put in your flour. You add your flour and you stir that properly so that everything is blended in together. And you're gonna add you add your vanilla. See, you add the vanilla, however much you want, a teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon, a tablespoon if you want it. But know that it will make the mixture darker. So if you don't care about how dark it is, then go ahead and you mix that. And then you're gonna add your cornstarch, which is half a cup of cornstarch, as I mentioned before, and mix everything. And now you're gonna be ready to make your cookies. See, it's one of the easiest thing you can do. Stir everything, mix everything, get it all blended. And for this, I use a piping tip. But you don't have to use a piping tip. There are times I make it and I don't use the piping tip. You make sure you line your tray, your baking tray, with grease paper. And I decided to as I said, to use the tip. But you could roll them in little balls, and put them in the tray. However, there are others that do different things with it. You could make them long, you could make them round, depending on your occasion. And you could even put a little coloring in it for kids. And when I'm finished, one little piece was left in the bag. I squeezed out whatever was left in the bag, and I made this little ball right here. See that last one? That's a little ball, and I squeeze the end of those so that they're not sticking up and so on. But it didn't matter, because when it was baked, they all flattened out anyway. It didn't stay in shape. It didn't stay high. And these are your cookies. These are your lovely melting moment cookies. I thank you for watching, and I thank all my new subscribers, my old subscribers. I appreciate it. And I appreciate you watching and liking my videos and sharing. Yeah, I'm coming up to almost 2,000 subscribers, and when that happens, I'm going to give away something. So make sure, if you're a watcher, and it's only to subscribers, if you just watch my stuff, please make sure to subscribe, because it's gonna be for subscribers. All right. I'll see what I'm gonna give away. I'll let you know, but in another month or so. And Christmas is coming. I'm gonna do some more Christmas videos. Maybe visit the old rum cake again and show you how I decorate a cake. I'm gonna do that soon, actually, to decorate a rum cake, and possibly with marzipan. So thanks again, and enjoy when you make this cookie.